Greetings, it's Brandon here. Today I'm gonna take you on a short journey where I will teach you how to use a silicone on the cornices. So this is what I'm gonna show you now. I have this silicone here. Remember, this one is not for the cornices, but I'm just showing you so that when you are using it on your project, you know what to do it like a pro. So when you have a silicone, this one you can see it's a contractor's acrylic silicone. It's not for the cornices. Please take note of this. And I have another one here. It's a silicone sealant. All these silicones, they are used on different purposes. You can see if you read at the bottom of it, it will tell you what is the purpose of it. This one is mold resistant. You can see. Then if you read at the back here on supplier's instruction, if you go through here, it will show you exactly. So I encourage you, before you use it, you buy any silicone, better check what is used for. Then on the second, you need a gun, a silicone gun. You need this, and you also need a knife. So when you buy a silicone, don't forget to get this. It is important thing to have. So now I'm gonna teach you, and we'll go step by step on how you can use the gun silicone to use it on your corners. Because of this lesson, I'm gonna use this one, but when you want it, buy the cornice silicone. It is specific for this, and it works 100% perfect. So number one, I will take my silicone, then my knife. From the top, I open it like this. So let me open it. You can see, open it like this. So when you open it, you take this nozzle, you put it on, because I don't want to mess around here. I just want a smooth, nice finish, be it on the window, be it on anything that you want to use silicone on. You don't want to mess on the other side. You just want it to be only filled in the gap, and it finishes nicely. So because we are using it, our gap is not big, we will not go far deep, we'll just cut it. So I'm going to show you now. This is how I'm going to cut it. Make sure your knife leaves this. You can see it has this. Then you make sure it is nice and slope. You cut the slope. When you want to use it on a big gap, you first fill it with a small one, then you go again, you cut it from this. That's why you see it's like a cone like. So it depends on the size your gap is. If you want to fill it on the corner where it's big, there's a big space, you rather go bottom here. But now on this case, we want only the top part. So once you do this, you have this, then you put like this, something like a V on, okay. I cut it wrongly, don't worry, we can still. So we cut this slope, and we make sure we sharpen it. Then on top of it, you just put a small V there, I don't know if you can see it. Then the slope is there, then right, nice. Once this is done, you take your gun. So to use the gun properly, you turn it around, you press here, then you pull this one out. So you turn it like this, you can see. Then once it's in, you take your silicone on, Then you put it, you press this one. Because you want to use it for it to move, you turn it around. This one must go up so that when you press here, it pushes it in. You can see. Then you make sure your silicone is on the right side. So now it's time to apply. Let me make sure my slope is nice. My slope is nice. I want to make sure my slope is 100%. So now when you see like this, press it in. Now it's time to apply. So to apply it, you press. You can see. 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 You see like this, you take your finger nicely, because we didn't mess up nicely. You can see. But my gap is too big, so I don't worry, I can still add a little bit. You can see. Then you go again with your finger. So as you can see, the silicone is on nice, and on my finger here there's just few, but I did twice on it. So this is how you do silicone nicely, and you will do it like a pro. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, share, as we're going to do more videos like this. Thank you so much.